Archangel Raphael is here to bring compassion and healing to our spines, and where we might experience either sciatica, pain that leads to lower back pain, pain in the hips, legs and knees, or where there is referred pain in unexpected areas like the arms or hands. This is also a healing transmission for brachialgia. We bring compassion, healing to all radiating pain, referred pain, nerve compressions in the back or neck, slip discs, muscle spasms, or where the burning or shooting pain is caused by the narrowing of a spinal canal, extra bone growth on the spine, tumors, arthritis, injuries or fractures to do with the back or pelvic area, or when something is wrong with the piriformis muscle. Nanarakas tartos di korokon sihikta, na arakas di ko onon korokolo orokos tihir na arakas, di ik ochtaraka. Die ikkortarakastika anurta ostihikta, ostirtirtastika rekana arakas darokostika achan, narakastika anunkorko ostihikta, ostihikta. Onkortirtastika anankaraka, onkortirtastika anankaraka, onkortiorto ostiko ochon, onkortostikoroko ochtortostika achan, ankarakastika anankaraka, ankarakastika anan, nunkorto ostihikta, nunkorokostika ananartirta, anartirtastika lu orokostika anansierta. Onda arakastika acha, onarakastika anunkoroko ostiko ochon, ostiko orokostika anan, nankarakastika anunkoroko, onkorokostika achanda araka, dandartirtastika anan, dandartirtastika anunkorokos, artirtastika acha. Artirtastika anunkorko ostihikta. Beautiful crystal energies coming in as well, like malachite and amethyst. Nartirtas dartostikoroko ochto orokos and jasper. Nonurtirtastika. Nonortirtastika anankaraka lu orokos dortirta, nanda arakastika ananda araka, nanda arakastika anurto ostihikta, osta arakas, osta arakastika anan, nunkorokostiko ochona araka. Nundo orokostika anansihikta. We are putting the pain in a energy bubble now, nartirtastika, and we are giving it to Gaia. Na arakas dartostikoroko orokosta anankarakastika, nankarakas diurtiortostikoroko. She will recycle this. Thank you, Gaia. Na arakas tihikta undo orokos. Onortirtastika anankaraka, onortirtastika ananda araka, na nartirta. There is a golden angel touching a left hip. Nortirtas dartirta, li ikarakas dartirtos di korokon sihta. Nanati indaldo orokos da acha araka, di ikarakas tihikta, di ikarakas dartirtas di karaka nunkorokos, do orokos dika achanda araka, do orokos dika ananartirta astikoroko, and it is as if the energy in the spine is being combed out like we comb out our hair. Nunkoroko, all the knots, all the tension in the energetic spine. Nunkorokostika achanda araka, nunkorokostika achanda araka, na arakastihikta, na arakastika anunkoroko. Everywhere where there is something pinched in the energy system, Nartas di karaka, so we're restoring the flow there. No orokos tika achanda araka. Ni inkaldik acha, ni inkaldik acha. Da arakas di karakan sigte. We bring compassion, soothing and healing for other symptoms like numbness, inflammation, pins and needles, discomfort, muscle weakness in the affected areas, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Non korokostika aganda araka. Nan karakas di hüfte, nan karakas dartiertas di karakaluru konsierta. Na ananda araka, na ananartiertas di karaka. Nana arakas dartos di korokostika ochto oroko. On korokostika anan karaka, on korokostika anan na acha, na acha, na acha, na acha, na arka. Duik locus. Da arakastika anankarka do uruku unung kurkustikta. Onortiertas di karaka na aldi ik Doorta astika achan. Doortiertas di karaka la araka nortierta as di ilirka. Ganda arakastika anankarka. Lunkurkustika liika. Da arakas doortos di karakan sigta. Archangel Uriel is coming forward to bring compassion, soothing and healing to the emotional and spiritual causes of radiating back pain, like financial worries or basic needs worries, or where we feel insecure, ashamed, unloved, unsupported. We receive healing where a core wound is spreading emotional distress and impacting multiple areas in our life. We are also receiving healing and compassion and support in the letting go of very old or karmic hurts. Nonartas tartas tikaraka? Nonatas diertas tikaraka kunsiarta achta arakas tikaraka la araka nortiorto onkorokostika achan onkorokostika anankarkas diortiortos tikarako ogdortierta anda arakas dartierta the violet flame coming in mixed with the white pink. Nortierta this has often to do with forgiveness and self-forgiveness. Nortierta artas tikaraka la araka nortiorto ostikarako onkorokostika anankarka dartierta astiirta ortos tikarako, where we have felt victimized. Nonkorokostika anarta ankarakas dartastika la araka nonkoroko onkorokostika achta araka li ikaraka na arakas dichte na araka o misunderstood. Nortierta astika, and again there's oppression here. Nortierta as dartierta astako lukoch achta likorokostika kan sierta ankaraka, and there is a beautiful gold coming in, but it is old gold. Na arakastika anankarka, and this has to do with working very hard, where you toil harder and harder, more effort, and you have less to show for it. Na arakas dartierta astiko ugondo orokol ankaraka, bringing healing and soothing to that, where that is connected to the back pain. Na araka rik oogtarakastika anankaraka rikorokos darti indildi irka di ilda, and where that is also connected to burnout. Nonkorokostika arakastika rakalu urokundo orokoch okorokostika anankaraka orokosta achtaraka li ikarakat neertiertastika na arakas darti igundo orokoch onartiertastika anankaraka na arakas dartierta ankaraka lu orokostichte lu ugonde araka. We are receiving compassionate healing where we struggle with low self-esteem. Na arakastika anankaraka na arakas dartierta nunkorokostika inkli urtostika anankaraka. Beautiful. Again, the violets and the white pinks coming in to assist with our self-esteem, with our confidence. Nartierta anarta self-worth. Nortierta ankarakas dartierta likochte di ikarakas dartierta di ikarakas dartierta ankaraka astikroko. There is a washing or a cleansing to do with internalized beliefs that are affecting our self-esteem and our self-worth in a negative way. Non korokos tika aha, non korokos tika anartirta, nanati ilde irokos darte ihta ankachta arka anon koroko. Beautiful green coming in now. Norti indilde arka, Archangel Raphael, thank you. No orokos tika aha, no orokos tika anankarka la arka. This is a very fresh green, not emerald green. It's closer to a spring green, Nortierta and a mint green, Na Arakas Dartierta, very renewal kind of energy here. No Ork Osta Araka, di Ildikach, a new leaf. Norti Ildi Irka, ni Ildi Irka, ni Ildi Irka, ni Ildi Irka, Dochto Orokostika Anankarka Dartierta, Nanati Ilde Ogunsierta, Ankarka, Ankaraka. And Uriel helps us to release our heavy burdens and to further unpinch and restore our natural flow, our natural joy, our life force. Na arakastika anankaraka. There is a deep, intense flow here, a deep stream. It's almost like if it is like a blood, it will be for arteries, not for veins. Na arakas dartiertas tikarakalurukun, beautiful deep pulsing reds and golds. Niertiertas darta yellow golds. Na arakas dartiertos tikuruku. Oogte orokos tika anankarka. Da arakas dartierta. Ando orokos. Anda arakas dartierta. Ando ulu orokos tika anankarka. Da arakas dartierta astikuruku. Oogte orokoch. Oogte orokos tika anankarka. Oogte orokos tika anartiertas tika. Li ikarakas. Li ikarakas. Li ikarakas. Ankaraka. Ankaraka, Ankaraka. It is done. It is so. Thank you. If this has resonated, please be so kind to share it with someone else that might benefit by it. Or like, subscribe, leave a comment, become a member. You are also always very welcome to check out for more extensive healings at Ko-fi. Thank you so much. With all my love, Francie.